Hey guys, what's up? In this video we're going to be looking at the padding and margin styles in CSS. And we're also going to be making this blog look, well, more like a blog. Okay, so to get started we're going to delete all this code that we wrote in the last couple videos and start anew. So save, refresh, we have a clean slate to work with. Alrighty, just some preliminary styles. We're going to say body, give it a background color of gray, and set a font of 16 pixels, Helvetica, because you can't go wrong with Helvetica. Save, refresh, looking good. Alright, now all of the blog content is wrapped inside this main element, so let's style that next. Reset the background color back to white. Okay, we're good. Now, I don't really like this extra space here. You know, this kind of outlining it. So let's see if we can get rid of that using the padding and margin attributes. Open up our developer tools, and we can see that. See how it's outlined in orange? That means it's margin. So the body tag has some default margin, and we want to get rid of that. So we can do that by coming over here, saying margin 0. That gets rid of all margin on the body. Cool. But we still have a little bit of margin up here. And what is causing that? Come down here, take a look. Not on the main element, it is on this header 1 tag. So if we get rid of all the margin on this header 1, margin 0, like that, it works, but now it looks kind of squished. You know, not a lot of space between the top of the page and the header, and between this header and the second header. So, well, I'm not a fan. Let's see if we can do to fix that. So get rid of that, and introducing the padding style. This is, well, similar to margin. I'll just show you. If we set 30 pixels of padding on the main element, it looks like this. And now the difference between padding and margin is, well, if I just come over here and change it to a margin of 30 pixels. See how that works? Margin is like extra space around the outside of an element, and padding adds extra space on the inside of the element. Okay, so we want 30 pixels of padding. And now we kind of have a little bit of too much space up on top. To fix this, well, if we just give one value to the padding style, it's applied to the left, right, top, and bottom. If we give 4 values, for example, then they would be applied to top first, then left, then bottom, then right. You know, goes clockwise from top. If we give it 3 values, it's top, left, right, bottom. And if we give it 2 values, it's top and bottom, and left and right. So we liked the 30 pixels for left and right, so we'll leave it like that. But there's kind of too much on the top and bottom, so I'm going to change that down to 10 pixels. By the way, the different ways of putting values in this padding style, they work for margin too. So if you put 1 value, it applies to left, right, top, bottom. 4 values is top, right, bottom, left, etc., etc. Okay, so save, refresh, and it's looking pretty good. Alright everybody, that's all I have for you in this video. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Jacob, and have a good one.